Yeah guys, I'm about to hop in the shower, so I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm done hopping in the shower, okay? I'm gonna keep rotating, I'm gonna be charging my tablet. Bye bye. Quick grind up guys, I didn't even get a shit. Hope you guys like my haircut. I barely got it like yesterday. And when I touch it, it feels so good. Like pretend it was just like down. It feels so ugly if I have it like all down. So I'm just gonna get a shirt and socks. Because I don't have socks anymore. Come on. I don't have socks, so I'll be right back. Quick run up guys. Right now I'm gonna go get my Nike shoes, so be right back. I meant these Nike, come on! These Nike shoes. I know guys, how does it go? I need to start, I can't keep on skipping vlogs. Cause well I have to sometimes when I how does it go? Do stuff. Or just look at this guys. Games. What's the other one? Notebooks and paper. Notebook or books. And the last one is headphones. Oh, I think you guys can't see. And BB guns. Come in! You barely even moved on my rug. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video and bye bye.